Alright you guys, this is Uncle B from Super Easy Forex, and I wanted to show you some live trades. And I want to show you these because I'm going to close out some of these and do a withdrawal in a few minutes for the weekend, take some money out. But some of these are some ones that's just beautiful. So as you can see, I'm in multiple positions on this one. This is the CAD JPY, and also those who's in the Signal group, congratulations. I know you're happy about this one. Worked out very beautifully. All right, and so that's one of them. And then let me take you over to this one here. And that thing is just falling like a rock. I just love it. Just love it. All right, and there's another one, which is AUD Swiss. And by the way, for those, before we go any further, live account. Live. Okay, so we got that out the way. All right, let's go through the next ones. And I'm showing you now, I always tell my students, don't be in more than 1, 2, or 3 trades at one time, but I'm just showing you what's possible, how many opportunities. If you have patience, purchase our system and actually go through the tutorials and learn the rules of our trading system, this is possible, okay? So, yeah, so let's go back through it again. Let's go through it alphabetically. So we're in AUD Swiss, that's 75 pips. And let me tally this up again like I normally would. So we'll write down 75. There's a bunch of them, so just hold on. 75 there. And then let's go through this one here. And I'm in multiple positions, so that's 106 pips. 106. Okay. And this one, by the way, if you look at right here, this little red line, it'll show you that it's about to hit target on one of my positions. Okay. All right. And then let's go to, and that's also for the Signals group. We sent this out to the Signals group as well. So you guys should be really happy. All right. And let's go to EG, Euro Pound. And boom, look at that one. And I'll go to 30. Caught that one off that 30. 30 Yurdy. And that is another 33 pips. All right. And then let's keep it moving. I got a lot of them to show you. Let's look at EN, Euro New Zealand. Pow. Ooh, look at that beauty right there, boy. Wow. Okay. So anyway, that is 127. Okay. And caught it off the bounce back. Boom, boom, boom. Caught it. But I caught it off that dip on the back end. Let me go to about 15. Boom. See that? Off that 15. Woo. Pow. Get them. And woo. So that's 129. Okay. And then let's go to the Dragon. The GJ. And it's 31 pips. And you can see that clean entry right here. And here's an entry right here, entry right there, entry right there, and then I got this one right here. All right, so that's the Dragon, 32 pips. And then let's go to NZD Swiss. And there we are, 32 pippers. And that was a clean entry off the box. See that right there? Boom, got them. 32 of those. I'll take it. Okay, and then next, let's go to NJ, and you can see that one right there. Nice little clean entry. See, and you can find these clean entries. Okay, and by the way, and that's just about 4 pips, which is great. Okay, hey, I can wait. Okay, and then last but not least, let's go to NU, and there we go, 37 more pips. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do a total live on screen of how many pips for this week. And again, you don't have to take all of these trades. you know, but what I am saying is, you know, that's nice. See, and if you miss sometimes, look what happens. It'll dip down, and then you can also, if you miss the initial entry, it'll go down sometimes, and then watch the tutorial so I can train you. Okay, so you'll know what time of trading to catch these, and you'll get these clean entries when you learn what time to start looking. Okay, timing is off. That's why a lot of you guys are losing trades and getting your stop loss hit, because you're jumping in where you should just be waiting, and you wait where you should be jumping in. And the markets know that. They're targeting your trades. So I don't know how many times I need to keep telling you the same thing. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this math, and then I'm going back to bed. All right, so 75 pips. AUD, NZD, I'm sorry, AUD Swiss was 75. CAD JPY was 106. EG, Euro GBP was 33. Then Euro New Zealand was 129. Then GBP JPY was 32. Then NZD Swiss was 32. And this is recorded that you're watching, so you can pull it back and check for yourself. Okay. Then NZD JPY was only 3 pips, 3.4 pips. So we'll just say 3. And then last but not least, we had NU, which was 37 pips. Okay, for a grand total of 447 pips live. So again, I'm just going to keep recording these videos. I've been recording them for the longest. I've been doing some training videos for you guys. I mean, you know, I can only, you know, I can only just show you, you know, and it's up to you if you want it. You know, it's here. I'm here. You know, teaching, training, and doing all those things, but you have to come and get it. You know what I mean? Come and get it. So invest into a good trading system with education, because that's the key. You can get indicators all day long off the internet, trying to get these free indicators that it's what, you know, or stolen indicators, whatever you can find, and you're still losing. So the question is, when are you going to get a real good trading system, and along with it comes weekly education so that you can learn? And that's what's missing. That's why you're failing. No, you don't have the educational piece. You know, the systems can look real easy, but the problem is your execution is going to be wrong. So until you get both the education and a good trading system, you're still going to be running circles. Okay. You're going to be running circles on yourself. I just did a video, the other day, and showing live proof of 347 pips. That was last week. This week, 447. Okay? So let's do math one more again. 447 plus 347 equals almost 800 pips for me in 2 weeks. Now, again, I'm not promising this. I'm not making promises to anybody, but I will tell you this. For some of you guys, even if you walked away with 10 or 20 or 30 pips at the end of the week, it's much better than what's been going on with you losing every week. You've been losing so long, you don't know what a win looks like. You've never done a withdrawal before. You never really made money. You put money in, but you never withdrew money out. So the question is when are you going to learn? When are you going to invest into your education? Instead of constantly scouring the internet trying to see what scraps you can get off the internet, and you're not taking it serious, and yet you want to call yourself a full-time trader. That's why nobody in your family believes you. When are you going to do it right? When are you going to really invest and get something real, and then come to class, or a mentor who you keep seeing? And I've been doing videos for a couple of years now. I've consistently for a couple of years. So when are you going to actually take it serious? So, okay.